Hi guys, welcome today. I just wanted to show you a coin that I've had sitting around for a little while, but it's the 2016 Gilded Australian Kangaroo. It comes from the Perth Mint, and something very interesting about this coin I wanted to show you guys, because it's not that often you get to see one of this particular thing. So I'll just grab it out of the box and you can have a look at it. Comes in a nice box. This is, just leave that there for the moment, but this is the coin itself. I'll grab it out and we can have a closer look at it. So you can see it's the gilded kangaroo there, the gold gilded kangaroo. It's the 2016 1 ounce, a small P mint mark here, relating to the Perth Mint. So look at the other side here. It's a beautiful proof coin, as you can see there, Queen Elizabeth. It's $1, and I think I said that it was 1 ounce of silver. So the special part about this coin is actually this. This is the certificate of authenticity. And if I can just read a little bit from that, we'll tell you a little bit more about the actual coin. This certificate accompanies an Australian Kangaroo Gilded edition struck by the Perth Mint from 1 ounce of 99.99 pure silver. The coin is issued as legal tender under the Australian Currency Act of 1965. The coin's reverse depicts a bounding red kangaroo gilded in 24 karat gold, surrounded by stylized rays of sunlight. The design includes the inscription Australian Kangaroo, the Perth Mint's P mint mark, and the 2016 year date. The Ian Rank Broadley effigy of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and the monetary denomination are depicted on the coin's obverse. The Perth Mint will release no more than 5,000 of the 2016 Australian Kangaroo 1 ounce silver gilded edition. Now what's really special about this particular coin is not actually the coin. What is special about this coin is that this, and I'll show on the back here, is number 1. So this makes this coin very special because of this number 1. It's the first one. Really, this piece of paper is more important than the actual coin itself. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that, guys, and something very interesting you don't get to see very often. But yeah, my son actually won this a couple of years ago, but that's how we got hold of it. But yeah, just thought I'd show you that there. Gives you all the details about the coin. But yeah, number 1. Thanks for watching, guys.